getting in your way. Don't get caught up on the little things that people say. Just let it roll off your back and go about your day. Now all my people come and gather around. Hey, everybody, you know you wanna. Don't stop. Let it roll, let it roll, let it roll. You know you wanna. Don't stop. Let it roll, let it roll, let it roll.
Everybody, we just came to party like. Work your way down to the floor. Keep acting like you can't get enough. Hey, everybody, we just came to party like. Work your way down to the floor. Keep acting like you can't get enough. They want something that will make them dance. Got you on a B-boy stance. Won't stop till we get a chance to see the whole world dance to this track. Body rock, we won't stop. Poppin' like we got hip hop. Whether you want it or not, God ain't gonna what we got.
Let this music take you to a place where all your problems go away. Feel the rhythm in your soul, and all your worries, let them go. Everybody, you know you wanna. Don't stop. Let it roll, let it roll, let it roll. You know you wanna. Don't stop. Let it roll, let it roll, let it roll.
You know how we rock it down to the ground, won't stop it. You know how we rock it down to the ground, won't stop it.
One, two, got what you wanna, crazy. If you really wanna, G. One, two, got what you wanna, get crazy. If you really wanna.
Check it out. Let it roll off the back. Let them hate, 'cause the fact is, we done been through so many things. It always seems like the world keeps holding us back. We ain't got no time to slow down. The world is in need of a crew that knows how to rock the mic without compromise and still keep it fly. Bring the funk to the whole down.
Let this music take you to a place where all your problems go away. Feel the rhythm in your soul, and all your worries, let them go. Let it go, let it go, just let it go. Let it go, let it go, let it go, just let it go. You know you wanna. Don't stop. Let it roll, just let it roll. You know you wanna. Don't stop. Let it roll, let it roll, let it roll. Let it go, let it go, let it go, let it go. You know we. Let it go, let it go, let it go. We got it going. You know we.
Come on.
I was driving in my car last night, radio up and came to a stoplight. Had a man who came up to my window and asked for $1 'cause he was in a tight jam. I could tell by his eyes he's been judged by the world and everyone that's close to him. But I don't see what they see. My heart believes in what he could be. I see life colorblind, still equality gets so hard to find. You and me, both one of a kind, made like a star to shine. Let's shine. Sometimes we're up and sometimes we're down. Sometimes the world goes round and round, and we don't stop to think that we got a lot in common. Sometimes we have it, sometimes we don't. What matters most is not the physical. Just look inside your soul, 'cause we got a lot in common.
We gotta keep on, and gotta press on, press on.
Place in your head.
I see the sun coming up and I'm feeling the rays, and thinking back on my life and not forgetting the days when I was a little lost and only trying to get paid. And now my mama always prayed that I would be okay. Then the day soon came when my sky turned gray, and every friend that I had turned and walked away. I never thought that I would see this day, but then I heard a voice crying through the dark, "You're my son, just pray." And what I said next vexed my heart, but nonetheless admitted that I was wrong, committed to do my best. Hard times still came, but they far from my chest. I breathe easy, believe me, my soul's at rest.
Sometimes we're up and sometimes we're down. Sometimes the world goes round and round, and we don't stop to think that we got a lot in common. Sometimes we have it, sometimes we don't. What matters most is not the physical. Just look inside your soul, 'cause we got
vision that you can't no more. Your shirt is stained by the tears that nobody ever saw. Enslaved to solitude, handcuffed by people's claws who never even noticed the depth of the scars. The fatherless child who never got the chance to hold daddy's hands, and mommy's always working trying to pay the rent. So your voyage began on the trail to the end, cause you never knew what love looked like to begin. But I promise that the day will come when you win, and what you thought was once lost will be placed in your hand. Then the days of being second will be lost in the wind. So bear with us and let me hear the chorus again.
Sometimes we're up and sometimes we're down. Sometimes the world goes round and round, and we don't stop to think that we got a lot in common. Sometimes we have it, sometimes we don't. What matters most is not the physical, just look inside your soul, cause we got a lot in common. Through all the low times, nowhere to go times, when your world's crashing down and there's no one around. Don't you worry, we can make it if we just realize we all look the same inside.